In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect JBL Vibe Beam to iPad. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to put earbuds into pairing mode. So to do that, you first have to take both the earbuds outside the case. So one is already outside, the other one should also come outside. Now, once that is done, then these should turn on automatically. But if it's the first time, they'll go into pairing mode by themselves, and that means that the light will start flashing white or blue. And when I'm talking about light, I'm talking about this light on the AirPod itself. And if they were previously connected to your device, then they'll turn on automatically without any issues. Now, if they do not pair or if the light doesn't start blinking, then what you have to do is you put both of them back into the case. Then you have to leave the case open, and then you have to touch and hold both earbuds for 5 seconds. So you can just hold this area right here on both the earbuds and hold it for 5 seconds, and the light starts flashing, which means that it's again in pairing mode. Then you have to just go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and under the other devices, you'll have to wait for JBL Vibe Beam to appear, and then wait till it says connected. And after connecting, you'll hear a connected sound through them, and the sound will obviously come through the earbuds. And then they're auto connect next time you open the case near the iPad. So that's how easy it is to connect the JBL Vibe Beam to iPad. And I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.